So today we are launching a new forum that is called How to Manage a Devices Community Forum, right? So we made this forum based on three main pillars, right? So as you can see in the presentation, built by device management community and exclusively for the same community, right? So that we are building this community forum for exclusively for device management community. We will discuss device management technologies in that forum. This is exclusively for device management. Okay, so we don't have any other kind of discussions like Skype or Link or what do you call teams kind of discussions. No, it won't be there in this particular forum, right? This is exclusively for device management admins. So SCCM, configuration manager, Intune, OSD, and Windows Autopilot, and all those stuff, right? So this is exclusively for device management admins, right? So the next pillar which I wanted to share here is basically there's no such thing as stupid question, right? Because when I started my career, right, back in 2001, I asked lot of stupid questions, right? And when I started my TechNet forum profile back in 2000, I think 2009 or 2008, right? You can still see if you can go to my TechNet forum, okay, TechNet forum profile, and if you can go to my activities in 2009, you can see a lot of stupid questions coming from me, right? Really stupid questions, right? If I read those questions, probably like I'll be laughing myself now. Okay, why the hell I asked those kind of questions, right? So there's nothing called stupid questions, right? You can ask whatever questions related to device management, right? Any basic question like what is SCCM or what is Intune, right? What is the future of SCCM? What is the future of Intune, right? So you can ask any stupid questions in this particular forum, right? So nobody is going to restrict you from asking any questions, right? So that is another thing. And the third pillar which I want to highlight in this is basically we need more superheroes. What does that mean? Basically, if you look at our WhatsApp channels, WhatsApp groups, we have 14 WhatsApp groups for SCCM 1.4, and we have 4 Intune groups, WhatsApp groups, and we have Telegram group which has more than I think 1,000 members. Okay, in all these WhatsApp groups and all the communities, I can see like lot of knowledgeable people, and they are contributing in the community, right? WhatsApp, they are answering the questions from the community, and they are helping each other. So they are kind of inside that bubble, right? WhatsApp bubble or Telegram bubble. So we want to basically give them more opportunity to become real heroes of the entire global community, right? Rather than sticking only in that particular WhatsApp group or Telegram group, right? So this is opportunity for those people who are contributing a lot of things in WhatsApp, right? In WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups and all, right? Okay, so going into the next slide, this is pretty straightforward kind of stuff, right? You need to, as a thumb rule in a general forum stuff, right? We need to register. Okay, as if you are already not registered, you need to register with your you can register with your Gmail, or you can register with your Facebook, or you can register with your um, what do you call Twitter ID, right? So that is the registration process, right? And once you are registered and you are entered into the forum, you can see like a lot of options are getting enabled for you, right? Your profile will be there, and you can build points in your profile, right? And you can build badges for your profile, and you will be a non-member, and then you will be a contributor, and then you can, like, people will know your contributions, right, if you are answering questions, right, and if you are asking questions, yeah, for that also we are having point based systems, right. This is the forum which I am talking about, forum dot hot how to manage devices.com. Okay, so if you want to log in, you can log in over here from here, right, and probably if you are a already registered user, you can log in from here. Okay, if you want to register as a new user, you can use your Facebook or Google or Twitter ID to log in, or you can use your you can create a new username and password, right. Okay, so if I log in with my Google ID, right, the entire view will be changed now, right. You will have your profile, your own special profile, and you will have all these details over here, right. You can see like polls, you can see your questions and all those stuff, right. And you can follow others, right. And you can check your badges, etc., etc., right. Like, there are a lot of options. If I go back to home, you would be able to see like, okay, guidelines, and you can ask questions, right. If I want to ask a question, I can just click over here, hello world, right. Oh, that was different. Let me click on this, right, hello, and ask question. So I click on that, you will get this option, right, to ask questions. You can frame your question over here, and you can select a category, right. If you want to ask a Intune related question, you can select that category. If you want to ask OSD related question, you can select that category, right. And same for Windows Autopilot, etc., etc., right. And after uh, if you can come down bit, and you can enter your questions here or frame your questions here, right. And probably you can add some log snippets if you have some log file entries and all, right. Okay, and if you can go back, you can see some guidelines over here. It's important to see those guidelines, right. And each forum, right, if I click on each tab, you would be able to see a pinned question, right. Pinned question here, right. If you see that, you would be able to see like what are the rules, or what are the general guidelines of this particular forum, right. Before asking question, probably you can go through all these things and all, right. So, and the last thing which I wanted to show is, you will also get the notification over here, right. You will get the notification whether the question is answered, your question is answered or not, those kind of stuff. So I think this is this would be interesting for you. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Okay, and we are ready to improve the experience, and we are ready to help. And I can promise you, like, if you ask a question in this forum for the next week, probably if I'm awake, I'll be trying to answer you. I will be helping you anytime, right? If I'm not sleeping, right? So if when I'm sleeping, I won't be able to, but otherwise, like, for the next week, I will be available personally to answer all your questions in this forum. Okay, so welcome all to the new forum for how to manage devices community. And that's it from my side for today.